Hi my loves, if you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine and today I have for you guys a drugstore makeup look. I came up with this look. I thought it was super beautiful, glowy, radiant. You guys know I love a glowy skin, so I created this drugstore look for you guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. And if you guys want to see me create this drugstore look, then keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started with this makeup tutorial. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lockets primer. You guys seen this before. Like, I was obsessed when this first came out and I just love it because it just gives you that very glowy skin that I absolutely love. So I'm gonna apply some to the hands. So yeah, I just wanted to do an drugstore look because I haven't done one in, well, I've done one, but I used to do a lot of drugstore looks and then I started, you know, incorporating like high-end because I do like both, but I do love more drugstore makeup than I do high-end just because it's just so affordable. And ain't nobody got money like that to be spending on a lot of high-end makeup. So I definitely love my drugstore foundations that I love. These two foundations are like my absolute favorite to mix together, especially now that summer is coming. Like, it's just a perfect combo. I love these two. This is the Infallible Pro Matte and this is the Infallible Pro Glow. I love to mix these together because it just gives me that perfect finish, and it has the glowy and it has the matte mixed in together, and it just gives you like that perfect foundation satin finish look, and I love these two together. So I'm gonna apply the glowy one to, I'm sorry guys, I'm stuffy because I am under the weather. So if you guys hear me like stuffy, it's because of that. Like, I've been under the weather for a long time. Like, it's been almost like a week now since I've been under the weather, and I'm still trying to film videos because I can't leave my channel like with no videos. So that's why you guys hear me like sniffling. But yeah, it's just my allergies. It's just been bothering me a lot, and it's like it doesn't want to go away. Like, I take medicine and it's just like, no, it doesn't want to leave me alone. I forgot to tell you guys the shade. So I got 208 Sun Beige and then I got 108 Caramel Beige. I think I grabbed the right color. I'm hoping I did because I have two of these, so I'm hoping I grabbed the right one in my case. So yeah, so I love to mix these. They're so good. The combo together is just awesome. Oh my god, this like allergy, I mean, the allergy attacked me really bad this year. Like, last year I wasn't even that bad with the allergies, and this year it's just like, it's just taking over this year. And every time I look at the Weather Channel app, like, it always says the pollen is really high. I'm like, no, I can't have that because I mean, the pollen is what affects me the most. It makes me stuffy. It doesn't, I'm like, oh my god, like, why does that have to happen? But I'm doing a little bit better because I'm telling you guys, during the week I was really bad. And the good thing is that I always have like pre-filmed videos for you guys, so I'm not worried about uploading during the week. But like on the weekend, like, that's when I'm like scared because I'm like, I want to film but I don't want to sound like a freaking monster. So I'm always scared to like post videos and I sound like a monster. Okay love, so let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Flower Beauty concealer on my eyes so I can have some type of base on my eyes. So I'm just gonna apply that real quick. Just make sure I blend this out. So I did do my eyebrows before I get on camera. I used the L'Oreal brow definer, and then I use the e.l.f. brow cream. Mix them two together and I just love that combo. It's just my absolute favorite. Go in with two palettes today. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette and the NYX Ultimate palette, and this is in the Sugar High palette, and it's this pinky purple shade palette. So I'm gonna mix these two palettes because I don't know what I want to do on my eyes, so that's why I brought both of them out, because I'm still in the fence on what I want to do. So I think I'm gonna first go in with this palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here, that one right there, and I'm just gonna use a Vanity Planet brush, if I can find it, from Royal and Line Nickel, and this is a crease and smudge brush. So I'm gonna go in with this brush and use the shade. I couldn't find my vanity brush, but it's all right. So I'm not gonna set my eyes because I want to try this out. A lot of people have been saying that if you don't set your eyes, that the shades on your eyes come out more pigmented. So I want to try this out. But it just feels so tacky. I feel like it's not right if you don't set your eyes, but people say it's good and it comes out more pigmented. So let's give it a try. Just see how it works. Okay, good. So I'm gonna go next with this purple shade right here from the Rose palette, and I think I'm just gonna apply this all over the eyelid. Because guys, I'm just creating a look for you guys. I didn't even know what I was gonna do for you guys. So I'm just using these two palettes and just mixing them together to see what I come up with. But I absolutely love both of these palettes because they're so good and they're so pigmented. So I absolutely recommend it if you haven't picked it up yet. Done for the eyes. I will go back to the eyes once I'm done with concealer. I'm gonna go back in with the Flower Beauty concealer and just conceal my under eyes. Yo, I love the finish of this foundation. It's so pretty. I'm telling you guys, like, that is like my absolute favorite combo for the summertime are those two because they're so good. So good. So I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe sponge and just blend it out. And just blend. To set my concealer, I'm gonna be using the Milani Translucent Banana Powder, absolute favorite. So I'm just gonna grab some on the lid. Make sure I don't have any creases. Just put that and then put the banana powder. This powder is awesome. If you love banana powders, this one is really good. What is this? The e.l.f. brush. And I'm just gonna push it in to the waterline. Palette again, and I'm gonna grab this shade right here. It's a very pretty, like, iridescent shade, and I'm just gonna apply it right here in the inner tear duct just to give me a little bit of the pop. You guys could see, like, look at how pigment that is. That is so pigmented. So pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with this cream shade and I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. Go in with lashes. I've been obsessed with these lashes. These are the Broadway lashes and I get these at Dollar General for $2. So this is super affordable and I am obsessed. So basically what I do is I cut the lashes in half and I just put them in the outer corners of my lashes and they look absolutely beautiful. So if you are looking for some good affordable lashes, these are good. If you guys want to see a tutorial of how I apply these lashes, let me know down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. But I am going to apply this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, loves, this is the finished completed look. I did apply my lippy off camera. I used the PIXi by Perta. You can find this at Target, and I put the shade Really Rose. I love the formula of these lippies. I want to get another shade. I want to get like more of a nude shade. This is like more of like a pinky mauve shade, and I thought it went very well with the eyes. So yeah, that's what I applied to my lips. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this drugstore makeup look. If you guys want some more, then give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.